Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through all the essentials of Clipchamp, from getting started to exploring its assets, using the free text-to-speech tool, customizing templates, creating videos from scratch, generating videos with AI, and mastering all of Clipchamp's main features. By the end of this course, you'll have a thorough understanding of Clipchamp and be ready to create impressive videos. Once you open Clipchamp, the home screen functions like a dashboard where you'll find quick options to start new projects, revisit recent ones, or explore new templates and AI-generated video options. It's a straightforward layout that's easy to navigate, especially if you're a beginner. On the left-hand side, you'll see several tabs, each with different tools for managing, creating, and customizing your videos. Home is the landing page, where you can access your most recent projects. Brand Kit is especially helpful for businesses or content creators who want to maintain consistent branding across videos. You can save your brand's logo, specific fonts, and color schemes here. Though it's a premium feature, it's a major time saver if you're producing branded content regularly. Clipchamp offers a huge variety of templates tailored to different platforms and styles. Templates are organized by categories like intros or outros, YouTube, social media ads, and more. Templates are fully customizable, so you can change colors, fonts, and images to match your style. Organization is key when you're juggling multiple projects. Folders allow you to group videos by project, type, or theme, so you don't lose track of anything. You can create a new folder, name it, and easily drag videos into it or move them between folders. To start a new project, simply click on the Create a New Video button on the home screen. Clipchamp offers two methods for creating videos. Manual creation, which is ideal for more control over the editing process, where you add media, text, and effects step by step. Second one is AI video creation. Here, you can select a few video styles and media elements, and Clipchamp will generate a video automatically. It's a great shortcut if you're looking to create quick, polished videos with minimal editing. Once you choose a method and start a new video, you'll be taken into the Video Editor workspace. This is where the magic happens. The workspace is divided into key sections. At the bottom of the screen, the timeline is where you arrange your video clips, audio, images, and effects. Here, you can make adjustments like cropping, resizing, or applying effects. Next is Content Library, left sidebar in the editor. This sidebar houses all your assets. Each tab serves a unique purpose. Import all the files you want in your video by dragging them here. You can also use Clipchamp's built-in media if you're on a premium plan. Record and Create tab lets you record directly from your screen or webcam. Choose to record either your screen, your webcam, or both for a picture-in-picture effect. This is handy for tutorials, product demos, or reaction videos. One of Clipchamp's standout features is text-to-speech, where you type in your script, choose a language, voice style, and pitch, and Clipchamp will generate a voiceover for you. This is helpful for creating voiceovers without needing recording equipment or a quiet space. Clipchamp provides an extensive library of assets. Many are free, but premium users gain access to an expanded selection, which includes high-quality stock footage and professional audio tracks for background music or sound effects. Text, graphics, and transitions tabs contain animated text, graphics like arrows or icons, and transitions for smooth scene changes. Adding these elements can give your video a professional, polished look. If you're using a premium account, the Brand Kit tab will store your saved brand assets, making it easy to maintain a cohesive look across all your videos. Editing in Clipchamp is easy, with several basic tools that allow you to craft your video step by step. If you want to cut a video into parts, select the clip in the timeline and click on the split option. This is helpful for breaking down long videos into shorter sections or isolating a specific part. Clipchamp offers smooth fade effects to transition between clips seamlessly, which works great for storytelling and professional presentations. Transitions can be applied between clips to give your video flow and continuity. With Clipchamp's filter options, you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, or add effects like black and white or sepia. You can even adjust these properties manually to make your video pop or to create a certain mood. Picture-in-Picture feature lets you overlay a smaller video on top of another. It's perfect for adding a webcam video to the corner of your screen recording in tutorials or presentations. Clipchamp offers various size options like portrait, square, or widescreen. This flexibility is useful if you're creating videos for different platforms, as each has its preferred format. Adjusting speed allows you to create slow motion or time-lapse effects, which can add drama or visual interest to your project. Syncing audio with video is essential for a professional look, especially in music videos or any video where timing is key. For those who want more control, Clipchamp offers some advanced editing techniques. You can stack multiple clips on the timeline to layer them visually or duplicate clips to repeat certain scenes. This is useful if you want to create more complex visuals or extend certain parts of your video. For videos that rely on timing, like tutorials or music videos, aligning audio with visual beats makes the video more impactful. You can adjust timing on the timeline and use the preview to ensure everything syncs well. Once your video is complete, Clipchamp allows you to export in a range of resolutions, from 480p for quick sharing or rough drafts to 1080 HD for polished, high-quality results. After export, you can download the file or share it directly to platforms like YouTube or Google Drive. If you're on a premium plan, you can even access additional sharing features. And there you have it. Clipchamp provides everything you need to create a professional-looking video, whether you're a beginner or have some editing experience. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.